Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will study these three words of Al-Qaida Nuraniya, page number 13. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So we are revisiting some of the principles that we have studied before. So the first one is we need to know the knowledge, we need to have the knowledge of articulation points for each letter. The second one is we need to know the characteristics of each letter, sifat of each letter. We have studied only a few of them so far, but we will study the rest in advanced level. The third one is the knowledge of rules attached to individual letter because of its position in a word or words. The fourth one is exercising the tongue and a lot of repetition. So if we are given, for example, we are given a word and we have to apply these steps to make our reading or recitation easy. So the first one is recognizing individual letter. So if we go to here, so individual, the first one is alif, second one is hamza, third one is ba, and next one is dal. And the final one is alif. So we recognized individual letters, step 1. In step 2, we recognize the harakat that are used. So the harakat would be, or the signs would be here. That's fatha, fatha, fathatain. So we recognize the harakat. And the next one is we have to recognize if the letters, which letters are silent and which aren't. Let's change the color. Okay, let's see. So if we see here, alif, this is silent, and this one is not. Ba is not silent, dal is not silent, and alif is silent. So alif is silent, hamza is not silent, ba is not silent, dal is not silent, and alif is silent. So we recognize those ones. And the next one is we apply the rules that attach to individual letter. We will study that in advanced level. Apply the correct sifat. So we have studied only a few of them. One of them would be if the letter is heavy or light. So we apply those rules, and the rest we will study in advanced level. The next one is pronouncing each letter from its correct makhraj, articulation point. And the other one we can add is we count how many syllables are there. For example, here is a, 1, ba, 2, den. So there are 3 syllables in this word. So if we manage to implement these steps correctly, then our reading and recitation will be very easy. These are not fixed rules you can add or subtract to it. These are just general guidelines for recitation or reading the Arabic. So the first word we have is wahaba, and it has 3 syllables. The first syllable is waw fatha wa. Waw is not silent, and waw has fatha, and it is a light letter. Waw fatha wa, waw fatha wa. The second syllable we have is ha fatha ha. Ha is not silent, it has fatha, and it is a light letter. Ha fatha ha, ha fatha ha. So now we connect these 2 syllables and we have waha, 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 waha. The third syllable we have ba fatha ba. Ba is not silent, it has fatha, and it is a light letter. Ba fatha ba, ba fatha ba. So now we connect these 3 syllables and we have wahaba, 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 wahaba. So the next word we have is humazatin, and it has 4 syllables. The first syllable is ha dhammahu. Ha is not silent, it has dhamma, and ha is a light letter. Ha dhammahu, ha dhammahu. The second syllable is mim fatha ma. Mim is not silent, it has fatha, and mim is a light letter. Mim fatha ma, mim fatha ma. And now we connect these 2 syllables and we have huma, 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 huma. The third syllable we have is za fatha za. Za is not silent, it has fatha and it is a light letter. Za fatha za, za fatha za. So now we connect these three syllables and we have huma za, huma za, huma za, huma za. The fourth syllable we have ta kasratain tin. Ta is, this here is written ta marbuta, but it's actually ta. Ta is not silent, it has kasratain underneath and it is a light letter. Ta kasratain tin. So now we connect these four syllables and we have humazatin, 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 humazatin. So the next word is hudan and it has two syllables. The first syllable is ha dhammahu. Ha is not silent and it has dhamma and ha is a light letter. Ha dhammahu, ha dhammahu. The second syllable is dal fathatain dan. So if you notice here, the ya here is silent. We only write dal fathatain dan. We pronounce only dal fathatain dan. Ya is silent and dal is a light letter. Dal fathatain dan, dal fathatain dan. So now we connect these two and we have hudan, 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 hudan. So the next three slides would be sounds only, without spellings. Wahaba, 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 wahaba. Humazatin, 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 humazatin. Hudan, 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 hudan. So this is the end of this session. In next session we will practice those three words 10 times without explanation, just to give you enough practice. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.